Hi, I'm Craig Theiler, General Manager at ERL Valve of Texas, and this is the Pump Performance Test Stand. Today we're going to be demonstrating to you the proper procedures for replacing a mechanical seal on a vertical turbine pump. Prior to performing any work, confirm the master suction is closed so any product in the pipeline is not able to flow into the pump cam. Then bleed off any remaining pressure from the pump cam by utilizing the spring-loaded Apollo valve, if available, or opening the gate valve from the pump vent line. Secure your indicator base on a stable surface and position the indicator on the pump shaft. Turn the shaft, taking note of the TIR, or total indicator runout. This will be the difference between the smallest and largest number your indicator shows while turning the shaft. Document this number on your service report. Disconnect any lines coming from the mechanical seal. Loosen up the set screws and bolts on the mechanical seal and OBA, making sure they are free from the shaft. Then undo the bolts from the split coupling at the top of the pump head. Remove the dome cover from the gear head, match mark the lift nut with the clutch. Remove the set screw from the lift nut and position your indicator on top of the gear shaft. Slowly unset the lift, allowing the impellers and shaft to drop, and document the lift as found on your service report. Unscrew and remove the gear shaft from the head, and then remove the split coupling assembly. Remove the OBA and mechanical seal. Use a Scotch-Brite pad or emery cloth to clean the column shaft. Confirm any burrs on the shaft have been removed to prevent damage to the shaft O-ring on the mechanical seal. Using the necessary fittings, prep the new mechanical seal and use O-ring lubricant to coat the shaft O-ring inside the mechanical seal. Ensure the O-ring on the mechanical seal base is properly seated. Now, install the mechanical seal and OBA, but do not tighten the set screws. Replace the split coupling assembly and reinstall the gear shaft. Set the lift by positioning an indicator on top of the gear shaft and tightening the lift nut until the match marks are realigned and the desired lift is achieved. The lift should be set as close as possible to the same measurement documented earlier in the process and should be between 25 and 35 thousandths of an inch. Reinstall the set screw and lift nut. Tighten the set screws on the OBA and mechanical seal. Reconnect any lines or hoses going to the mechanical seal. Position your indicator on the column shaft and observe the total indicator runout once more now that the job is complete. Document this number on your service report. Reinstall the dome cover, then check that your work area has been cleaned and all tools have been removed. If you have any questions about our field service capabilities, ERL mechanical seals, or any other ERL products or services, contact a member of our sales team or reach us online at lawvalveoftexas.com.